How to fix descriptions not showing up on YouTube. Let's get started. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general. Then head over to iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, here in the source bar, search for the application YouTube and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Once done, head over to your App Store and search for the application YouTube once again. Move into this app. Right here, instead of Open, if you see the option of Update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on Update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.